So this is a secondary instructional video for inserting the filter into the mask. And some of the filters have different consistencies of the material. They're all MERV 13 or better, but some through the manufacturer have a little bit different consistency. So if you get a filter that has a little less rigidity, this is how to put it inside the mask. First, wash your hands thoroughly or wear gloves. Secondly, open the sealed bag with scissors. Remove the mask. And then there's a secondary bag that has the filters. And just a side note, you're going to use one of the filters inside the mask. The other 4 filters we suggest that you put in a Ziploc bag when not in use. So with the mask, you want to make sure and go to the back side where the pillow pocket is and open the pillow pocket, and then take the filter media, and when you stuff it, you stuff the top corners first and make sure you got it all the way to the corners, and then again all the way to the top, and then open the bottom pocket and do the same. Push the filter all the way to the bottom, middle, and corners to make sure it's seated correctly, and then fold the pillow pocket in, and there you have the mask, and the filter covers all the way to the top of the nose, all the way down to the chin. So you have 100% coverage.